Hi, sorry for late update. Hope you all are safe in this pandemic. Now, I collect these all batteries from power bank and laptop batteries. These all are 18650 lithium ion batteries. I purchased these 3 cell 10 ampere BMS with another components. But before making battery pack, we require to check this all batteries capacity. So the question is how check battery capacity. So I google it. I found lot of product at different prices. But we decided it to make DIY project. Also in DIY we can add another features and it is also cheaper than market. So ER bros start work on it and design a circuit for it. This is final diagram for our circuit. Here I use breakout board for SMD 8MB8 IC and reuse micro USB female socket for powering up our device. Collect all components for this circuit and starting soldering work. After completing 4 hours of soldering, now it is ready. I know it looks weird. Crowding of component is purely visible, but it works perfectly. I try to connect my power supply as a battery for simulating our circuit. Unfortunately, start button is under the display, but no issue. Here I try to reduce voltage and after reach at minimum voltage is give alert and display it. Here is the real demonstration with 18650 battery. As you can see, the display shows the voltage, current and mAh capacity of battery. For start battery discharge, we have to press push button under the display and discharge will start. We can also set current by varying this potentiometer. Here I put manually measured battery of 2000 mAh capacity. After some time it is fully discharged and give alert. Hope you like this project. If you like it then press subscribe button, share to your tech group and friends. Thank you for watching.